And the solution is server virtualization. We'll see what is this server virtualization. Server virtualization, it is a technology that allows single physical server to run multiple operating systems at the same time. So what this server virtualization will do, it will allow multiple operating systems to run at the same time on one physical server. So with this technology, what you will do, you will take one physical server. On the top of this physical server, you will install virtualization software. This virtualization software, what it will do, it will help you to create the virtual machine. So we will create multiple virtual machines here. So we need six applications to be installed. So we will create six virtual machines. One, two, three, four, five, six. On the top of this each virtual machine, we will install a separate operating system. If you see here, virtual machine 1 is having its own operating system, virtual machine 2 is having its own operating system, and the same way virtual machine 3, 4, 5, 6, they are having their own operating systems. On the top of this operating systems, you will install the applications like Active Directory, DNS, web server, SQL server, SAP, and email server. So each application is getting its own operating system here, which is possible with this server virtualization. And let us see the traditional architecture and virtual architecture. With traditional architecture, you will take the physical server. On the top of this physical server, you will install the server operating system. On the top of the server operating system, you will install the application. With virtual architecture, you will take physical server. On the top of this physical server, you will install the virtualization software, which is also called as hypervisor. So you will install virtualization software. On the top of this virtualization software, you will create multiple virtual machines. Okay, here we have created six virtual machines. On the top of these virtual machines, you will install the operating systems. On the top of this operating system, you will install the applications. This is the virtual architecture.